Today in this video, we'll see how to solve the problem signing you in OneDrive. There is error code mentioned as well. So what you have to do for this is first you have to go to the Microsoft Word or any Office app so that you can sign out from there. So once you open this one, just sign out from here. So this is the first step we have to do it. Then second, go to the OneDrive on the setting and then unlink your PC. So click on the unlink this PC. And third step is just go to the OneDrive again and click on quit OneDrive. So once you do this, we'll jump in the last stage, which is we go to the run dialog box. Then here we have to put a command that reset the OneDrive. So I have already made a video on this as well. So we'll get the code from there. So here I have a 3 command. So just try one by one. Once will work. In my case, the second one is working. So don't worry, I'll put this command on the video description as well as in the comment box as well. You can grab it from there. So just paste the command and press enter, and then your OneDrive will be resetted. Just try one by one. Once will work for you. And then finally restart the computer. So once you restart, go and try signing in the OneDrive again. This time it should be all right. So just click on sign in with your credentials.